Life thrives when we are aligned. Alignment is the foundation of health, happiness, and reaching your fullest potential. My family is my greatest inspiration and the reason behind everything I do. They are my driving force. The love I have for them is what fuels my passion for this work. I want to show up as my best self for them, and I want others to experience that same alignment in their lives. Chiropractic found me through my passion for natural health. Hearing about Gonstead sparked my curiosity and led me to chiropractic school, where I fell in love with its philosophy, science, and art. My approach is specific, scientific, and holistic. I don't just adjust the spine, I adjust the person. Using a thorough evaluation process, we identify the exact cause of health challenges and empower patients with personalized care plans. Our practice stands out because our patients become our friends. We genuinely care and believe health is wealth, strengthening our bodies, relationships, creativity, and ability to serve. Specializing in Gonstead chiropractic and corrective care, we clarify misconceptions about safety, nervous system regulation, and gentle chiropractic care, even for children. True wellness is actively pursuing balance across physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual health. A flexible body leads to a flexible mind, enhancing mental clarity, emotional resilience, and relational health. Community is the heart of our practice. Our patients become better, our community grows stronger, creating a powerful cycle of abundant health. My practice mirrors my home, built on integrity, authenticity, and respect. When you're adjusted and aligned, your nervous system is clear, your body moves freely, and your mind becomes sharper. You're calmer, more present, and more adaptable. Alignment is the foundation of living an extraordinary life, as opposed to a stiff body translating to a stiff mind and ultimately a stiff life. When my body is healthy, it allows me to show up with positivity, love, and service, not just because I should, but because I'm aligned to do so. We operate on a for-purpose model, proudly profitable and investing in meaningful projects globally, from clean water in Africa to fighting human trafficking and feeding families locally. I want people to feel genuine care, excellence, and hope. True wealth is the best health. Investing in yourself is the best decision you'll make. Get adjusted, do good.